Hey everyone, it's Bree from Bree's Pastry House. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my Luxe Christmas dessert prep for a family gathering. This is one of my favorite traditions, planning, baking, and creating desserts that feel cozy but still a little elevated. We're making hot cocoa cheesecake, eggnog rum cheesecake, and a cinnamon maple latte cake. And yes, my kitchen is about to smell absolutely amazing. If you love holiday baking, soft aesthetics, and behind-the-scenes dessert prep, you're definitely in the right place. Before any baking starts, I always set the vibe. Ingredients are measured, pans are ready, counters are clean, and Christmas music is playing softly in the background. This part of baking is honestly one of my favorites. It's calm, intentional, and sets the tone for the entire process. If you love cozy, organized holiday baking content, this is your sign to relax and bake along with me. Dessert 1. Hot cocoa cheesecake. Let's start with the star of the table, hot cocoa cheesecake. This one is rich, chocolatey, and incredibly smooth, inspired by a warm mug of hot cocoa on a cold winter night. I'm focusing on getting that deep chocolate flavor without it feeling too heavy, keeping the texture creamy and balanced. And of course, it wouldn't be a luxe dessert without a little extra detail on top. Something simple, elegant, and very Christmas. Dessert 2, eggnog rum cheesecake. Next up is the eggnog rum cheesecake. This dessert is for anyone who loves classic holiday flavors, warm spices, creamy richness, and just a hint of rum to give it that festive edge. It's nostalgic, but elevated, comforting, but special. This one always feels like Christmas in dessert form, and it pairs perfectly with a cozy evening in good company. Dessert 3, cinnamon maple latte cake. And last, we're making the cinnamon maple latte cake. Because every Christmas dessert table needs variety. This cake brings warmth, spice, and softness with flavors inspired by your favorite winter drink. It's lighter than the cheesecakes, full of cozy notes, and adds a beautiful contrast to the dessert spread. Different textures, different flavors, all made with intention and a lot of love. Luxe finishing touches, 5 to 6/10. Now for the best part, the finishing touches. This is where everything comes together. Clean edges, smooth surfaces, delicate toppings, and that final detail that makes it feel bakery level. I always take my time here because presentation matters just as much as flavor, especially during the holidays. Outro, war, call to action, and that's my Luxe Christmas dessert prep for this family gathering. If you want the full recipes, a taste test, or a complete look at my Christmas dessert menu, comment Luxe below and I'll share more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cozy bakes and behind-the-scenes moments from Bree's Pastry House. I'll see you in the next one, and happy holidays!